Hi guys, Ratmanian here. Welcome back to another video of Minecraft Storymode. I'm sorry if I didn't upload one for ages. It's just because it hasn't actually been out for they've only just brought season 3 out and I didn't know it until I saw Squid uploaded another video of Minecraft Storymode. So yeah.
He said that within every loss, every challenge, and every failure, there is a gift.
One sec guys, my camera's messed up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Camera's fine again now.
Friends are lost.
Okay.
We find new ones in our heroes.
There's Ivor, hate Ivor.
When we're given
There's Magnus.
we find a way to give it back. And when our band of unlikely adventurers are tasked with saving the world from the coming storm,
Yeah, I remember Boomtown.
they will bring together the bravest and the brightest to stop it. But finding the last and most elusive member of the Order of the Stone and his legendary Formidabomb would prove their most perilous mission yet. For some would rather our hero's story end here. Shutting the door on their adventure forever.
There's a no. Good.
Like all doors, when one closes, another is bound to open.
Ta-da! So, I guess that's the start of season 3, guys. Exactly what I just said. Come back fight. Come back. It was come back and fight, but come back fight. That was weird. Everyone okay? Someone say something.
I felt all of that.
That was one heck of a landing, Axel.
He mostly used his face.
He mostly uses his face.
We need to find Thorin.
Yeah.
Soren is key.
I still can't figure out how Ivor made the door close.
Maybe we should focus more on how it opens.
That's basically what I said.
Or Gabriel.
Maybe it was pressure. Are you okay?
Of course. Why would you feel the need to ask?
Just checking in.
I am A.O. A.O. My goodness. Just give it a second.
I feel really sorry for Gabriel. I really like him. Lucas, you saw.
Frightened or alarmed. But it's getting worse. I'm in a lot of pain.
We have to tell the others.
Your friends know it's a bad idea.
You have to.
It's just gonna cause panic. And we can't afford that right now. When the
Good
time
point.
comes, I'll share it with those that wish to know. Until then, I hope you can be discreet.
I'm going to turn the volume up so I don't know if you guys can hear it.
Okay. Magnus, help!
Alright, I think that's a bit too loud.
Well, all right, but I have another idea.
Is it yelling for Ellegard?
Not anymore. idea where they are.
Don't need them. They won't abandon us. Don't. They
They
won't.
couldn't abandon us if they wanted to. As long as we have this. Flint and steel? I don't get it. It's not... Oh, that's not what I meant to pull out. Hold on.
We're burnt.
This.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that.
The colors are fading. They are moving away from us.
Here, let me see.
What's
Maybe
happening?
you're just holding it wrong. Or maybe you just have to jiggle it a little.
Do you mind?
I just want to see it.
You can see it without touching.
Not if you can't get it to work.
It's working fine. Soren!
Soren. Why, indeed it is. Hurry, Jesse. Find him.
Find Soren. Over here. Around here.
This is the spot. It has to be.
Maybe.
This is definitely it. Get ready to dig, people.
Who knows how far down that goes? We might end up digging until we hit bedrock.
Stop it!
Guys, we're not really equipped for this.
Anyone else have a better plan?
Yeah.
Jesse's talking to you, Lucas.
I know. I just need it. Lie down!
Oh God. His
Let's
fist
get
is
to it
steel.
then.
How are they mining with their fists? Ruben's even helping. What the hell? Spamming out. Ah, God, it's hard.
Are we cool?
It's a hole.
They
Does that
gone
mean
to.
we're cool?
I'll find out.
I won't do that, Jesse. Don't drop down.
I guess that makes sense. You dig, you get a hole. I'm not sure why I expected anything else.
I can't drop the amulet. Can't.
Looks pretty good. It's dark, but other than that, we're okay. Heading down.
Come
Don't
on,
look up.
Petra.
I've got to work up the nerve. Wait! You have to say that now? Something's not right.
Why are we screaming?
Axel's just like, why are we screaming?
Get away!
That made me laugh that.
Alright. It's safe now.
Yeah, it's safe. I can't believe the girl had to check it out. Even though I'm not a girl and it just spawned me in as this character. Axel did it the most efficient way, don't you think?
Everyone okay?
Just slipped.
What's that smell?
I believe the scientific word for it is poop.
The scientific word of it is poop.
Lead the way, Jesse.
Yeah.
I believe the scientific word for it is poop. That was good, that. It's either a poop or like his actually wing thing.
Stay close, boy.
As long as Ruben's fine, I'm fine. Oh, I have to actually control this, I don't like it. What's that glow? Whoa! Whoa! What? Sorry.
Whoa.
We have to get out of here. ancestest one I've ever seen. It has to be Soren's.
More than likely.
Yeah, this is season 3, the last place you look, so we might actually enter the end, because it would be the last place you look, the end. Oh no, I have to actually fight him. Bow and arrow. I didn't do that. Was that meant to happen? I think that was meant to happen.
There he is! He's right down!
No! Purple platform. Everyone remember the purple platform.
Yes.
Sorry if you guys can't really see right now. It is pretty dark for me too.
You're going to jump,
Tuck and
aren't you?
roll. Jumping is easy.
Please tell me you're not going to jump. Just tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll. Whee! Telltale Game presents. In association with Mojang.
This one is mine.
Get back, foul!
Minecraft Storymode. Sorry if you can hear any like crying in the background. It's just my little sisters, guys. Axel, guys, Far East. The time has done. A Telltale Story by Michael Chung, and I didn't read the other one. Whoa! Episode directed by Jonathan Scratcher, I think.
More? Jesse! Hey, ugly!
Hey, ugly. Oh! Down! 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 Why did it go down?
This belongs to you.
Art directed by Mark Hamill.
Hey, bonehead, I'm talking to you. Anytime now, Jesse.
Down. B. Yeah. Jeff Parrott. Lucas. Down. Animation by Jeff Sarah. Shout out to all these guys, by the way, who made the game, because whoever they are, they're amazing. Oh god! Why? Up.
Ruben, wait up.
Ruben! Quality free boy. I didn't read that. Sorry guys, we're going to have to end the first episode here. It's nearly been 15 minutes. And yeah, this has been season 3 season 3. I can't remember what part it is because it's a long time since I recorded this. But see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys. Bye. See ya. Bye. Bye.